So if you just self-published your book on Amazon and you're trying to get those initial reviews, then this video is for you. As you can see on our Facebook page, we just shared our latest client success story on Amazon. We helped the book Bear and Rabbit, the SAP Map, rank #1 on Amazon new releases. So how did we do that? Twofold. First, my client created a great book, filled out their entire listing, added keywords on the back end. That's very important. But secondfold is promotion. So when you self-publish on Amazon, you have 5 days you can promote your book for free via the Kindle KDP Select program. So you want to take advantage of those 5 days to get as many reviews and as many sales as you can to boost up your BSR or bestseller rank on Amazon. So as you can see in this post, my pro tip: share a keyword loaded URL. You can click the tiny URL above for an example, so your sales are attributed to that keyword search by Amazon. Doing this will eventually lead to your product listing ranking higher in organic Amazon search results for that keyword search. So how do I create this keyword loaded URL? Helium 10. So go to coursenvy.com/helium 10. Here you can sign up for a free Helium 10 account, and with Helium 10 you can find out how many products you have to give away each day in specific categories so you rank on page 1 for your specific product niche. Besides that Helium 10 software feature, the other feature is this URL creation tool. So you can add your keyword and your product ASIN and just generate it. So again, coursenvy.com/helium 10, and you can create that free account. So back to our Facebook page. Before you launch your book, make sure to create your brand Facebook page beforehand and have it all filled out, your logo, your About Us page, and so on. Then create your post, that initial post that you will be promoting to your target audience. So this actually works as an example. I posted it. It has my keyword loaded URL, this tiny URL, so I can track it myself. First, get this post some social clout. So that means likes, comments. Build this up so people want to stop when they're scrolling by this in their feed. So you'll be promoting this post, but by adding some likes and comments, it's further increasing the size of this post and adding bright things like, there's a heart button, liked by Course Envy. So I can scroll down, I can change to my personal profile, I can change to another page that I manage, and like and comment as those pages to fill out kind of a fake social cloud, if you will. So if I add a heart, a blue like thumb, and a bright yellow wow face, that's adding to my social clout for this post and further increasing the size of this post in people's feeds and increasing the likelihood of them stopping. So once you have this post built out, now it's time to boost your post. So just click right here. So boost post, we can add a button if we like. This is worth a split test. I could put this tiny URL connected to a shop now button, but it will alter my post. It will add a button down here. So it's really up to you. People can see buy it at, there's the call to action, tiny URL. So we'll just add this for this case. So as you can see, it might crop the image. That's what happened. Not a fan of that because I want to show off that it's #1 in new releases. But right here, I would paste in that tiny URL. But let's just not do that to not edit our photo. So here you go, audience. People you choose to target. So I want to edit this. And who's my target audience? This is a beginning reader book. I want to target who's going to buy this. A mom. What age is that mom? We'll leave this wide open. I know my target market is the USA, United States. Now, how do we find moms? Detailed targeting. So parent, and here we go, working parent, parent with teenagers. What age is a pre-reader, right? Typically right before kindergarten or that first grade level. So 3 to 5. And we could expand this a bit. We can go click that all parents again, scroll down. We could go 6 to 8. So this could be a split test. We could create 2 separate ads and see which performs better, which gets more clicks. But this would be good right here to start with. We're targeting moms, full age spectrum. Now, we're not targeting all 18 to 65 plus year olds. We're only targeting the people that fall within that are parents with these age of children. So that's why I left this age wide open. If you're worried about overspending, you could put it closer. What is typical? Maybe 27 to 60, right? And as you can see, our audience size is defined now. Potential audience size is 2 million people. So now we save that. And there's our target audience. United States, 27 to 60, female. These moms are parents of 3 to 8-year-olds. So that's selected, no button. Automatic placements, yes. So this will place it on Facebook, Instagram, and all the various placements available on those 2 platforms. And then just select your budget. Typically $10 to $20 per day. So I'm going to up this to 100 over 5 days. So there we go, 20 per day. And then just add your payment option, upload your credit card, and then click Boost.